You can create some absolutely stunning music videos using only AI tools. I think we can all agree that music makes life so much better. Now, one of the best ways to use AI is to create music videos. It's one of my most requested projects from clients, and by using simple AI tools, you can create some incredible visuals and effects that would otherwise be really difficult to make. I'll walk you through the entire process of creating AI music videos in just a single day. And here's a preview of what we'll learn to make.
I swore I'd never fall, but you pulled me down so fast. Now I'm lying in the wreckage of a love that couldn't last. I built my walls up high, thought they'd keep me safe inside. But love don't break like thunder, it just slowly unwinds.
So there's two parts of doing this. Part one is the music, and part two is the actual music video. If you already have a song you want to use, great, just use that. But if you don't have a song already prepared, that's fine. We can generate some really high quality music using AI completely for free. I use Suno to make the music for this tutorial. Even as a total beginner, you can get started creating AI music in just a few minutes. I'm on the homepage right now, and there's a bunch of example songs that are popular. I found this rock song I like though. Not really the type of music I usually listen to, but for whatever reason, I just really like the way this sounds. So to generate something similar, you can find this menu bar underneath, go to create and reuse a prompt. Inside here, you have the option of adding in your own lyrics. You can also have Suno automatically write the lyrics for you, but I figured I'd just enter them myself. I got them by going to ChatGPT and asking it to write me the lyrics to a sad rock song that talks about heartbreak. And after a couple iterations, I got these lyrics that look good to me. So let's copy these and paste them into Suno. Then beneath, you can add in the music genre. It has some suggestions for you. I just went with the one already here with a few extra keywords, mostly asking for a mix of rock and blues. Then we can create the songs just like that. You actually get 10 free songs a day when using Suno, which is pretty good for the amount of quality it produces. I made a bunch of these. Here's my favorite version. By the way, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want more in-depth AI video guides just like this one. Now we get to create the visuals for the actual video. I'll be using image to video, where I'll create the reference images first, and then animate those with an AI video generator. This method gives the best results. I used Midjourney to make the images. Here's the explore page. It's always worth looking through here to get inspiration for the visual style. I found this really nice looking image from the user Demon He, and I took some inspiration from their prompt to make my own images. I'll put the full prompt in the description. It's kind of too long to show in the video. Now let's create some more images to go along with this one. Go to the prompt bar up here, and I'll put in photo of a female samurai wearing porcelain armor, playing an electric guitar in a garden, flaming musical notes float in the air. Then add --AR 16:9, which is a parameter that makes the landscape horizontal image. So a really important part of the visuals for the music video is that the style needs to stay consistent, from the colors, backgrounds, textures, stuff like that. To do that, we can take the original image in the flower garden and drag it into the prompt, then hover it to select this paperclip icon. This will use the image as a style reference, which will keep the visual elements of the new generated images similar. So we'll add in --SW45 to the prompt. What this does is control how much of the style gets transferred over. I find using a value between 20 to 50 works the best. There's our guitarist. You can clearly see the influence from the original style image. Then we can right click, go to upscale, and increase the resolution. Creative upscale just adds in some more textures and details, although it could change the faces a little bit. Here's a few more prompts I used to make the images. Be creative, use different environments. One of the things we'll do later is lip sync to the song, so I made sure that there are plenty of faces looking forwards. So I've generated all the images. Now let's animate them into videos. I'm using Kling to animate the images. Let's go to AI videos, and we'll be using image to video and the frames feature right here. I'll upload one of the images I got from Midjourney. in the video clip, I want the camera to zoom out. So in the prompt I use camera pullback, muted colors. Don't overdo the prompt, something short like this will work fine. Down in the settings, I usually turn up this relevance slider a little bit to follow the prompt better. And for these, I'll actually make them 10-second videos to see what we get. Let's generate them. I love how the musical notes float in the air, and there's some flames. This will work perfectly. Another useful prompt for music videos is rotating lens, which moves the camera around the subject in a circle. Now I also need to add lip sync to my song. So I got this video of her singing into a microphone, but I needed to actually match the song lyrics. Let's use this lip sync button down here. You can type in text to lip sync to, but since I've already got the audio clip for the song, we'll use upload local dubbing and then put our AI generated song inside here. Now when I use this, you can only add up to 60-second long audio files, so you might need to trim your audio first before uploading. Since my video is 5-second long, we need to crop the audio file to 5 seconds. I'll drag this around to the part I want to lip sync.
I swore I'd never fall.
Okay, and then let's do the lip sync.
I swore I'd never fall.
That looks perfect to me. So there's another really cool effect we can make using the AI, which are these types of really big transformations inside the video. I specifically wanted to make one of her breaking out of a porcelain vase. To make this effect, we need the first image frame and the last image frame, and then let the AI fill in what's in between. Back inside Midjourney, I've got this image of a woman inside a hot spring. I'll go to the editor tab, then use the eraser brush to paint over her silhouette, and change the prompt to a white porcelain vase Asian design. If we hit submit, Midjourney replaces the figure of the woman with the vase in the spring. Now, back inside the video generator, I've uploaded the image of the vase already. Let's hit this end frame button right here, and then upload the image of the woman as the last frame. Go inside the prompt and add the vase shatters and a woman comes out. When that's finished generating, it produces a complete transformation effect from the vase to the woman. The final step is creating the music video. I used CapCut to do the editing. You'll need to match up the lip sync videos we made it clean with the audio of the song. If you use CapCut, there's lots of effects we can add from this transitions tab. Just drag and drop it in between the individual video clips.
My walls up high, thought they keep me safe.
You can also add in lyrics if you want. Use the add text feature to drop them on here. There's tons of different fonts you can play with. And I also added in this fading effect, and so the lyrics slowly reveal themselves onto the screen. And here's what the completed AI music video looks like.
I swore I'd never fall, but you pulled me down so fast. Now I'm lying in the wreckage of a love that couldn't last. I built my walls up high, thought they keep me safe inside. But love don't break like thunder, it just slowly unwinds. Blur the lines of sight and the invisible. Blend the red of touch and the intangible.
I keep spinning round like a song on repeat. Every word you said still cuts too deep. Try to let go, but the echoes remain like a ghost
In my mind whispering your name.
There's tons of different prompts you can use to help you create the most cinematic looking AI videos. If you want to learn the best prompts that the pros use, go watch this tutorial right here.